Have you ever tried making humba with an entire pig? Well, we did it, and it was an experience to remember. There's something magical about cooking outdoors, surrounded by nature, with a smoky aroma of traditional cooking filling the air. We made Humba Bukid style, a delicious dish but with a twist of the countryside. From butchering the pig to preparing the marinade, to slow cooking that tender flavorful meat, every step was worth it. The rich aroma of soy sauce, pineapple, and star anise filled the air as the humba simmered to perfection. The skin turned gelatinous, the meat fell off the bone, and the sauce, absolute heaven. Cooking Humba Bukid style reminded me of why I fell in love with this dish in the first place. It's not just food, it's a connection with tradition, family, and the joy of simple living. Okay guys, until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. As always, stay curious. Thanks for watching. See ya!